Hey guys, welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this one is all about these super cool magic seats in the Honda Odyssey. I'm going to show you how to take out this middle section seat so then you can actually use your cool magic seats that slide. Okay, so first things first, you have to unbuckle this seat belt from down here and then retract it back up and tuck it away. Easy breezy. Then to lower this seat, this back portion, just pull on this strap. Again, super easy. Then there's another strap and it's down here. You have to pull, make sure you hear it unlock, then lift from back here first. Okay? Then you have to slide backwards a little bit. Now, as you can see, you can remove it. Here's a suggestion. If you have a sensitive back, then get someone to help you because this is kind of heavy. So now with the middle section out, these seats can totally slide sideways. Just use this handle down here and just push or pull. Again, you could do that on both sides. Super cool. Now I'm going to show you how to put everything back together. Like I previously mentioned, this middle section is heavy, so get somebody to help you if you need it. And first things first, you have to get the front portion into the hooks. Just like that. Then wait for a click. That's how you know it's locked. Easy breezy, guys. Thanks for checking out this How To Tuesday. Don't forget to watch my full review of the 2025 Honda Odyssey and subscribe.